Mrs. Ramirez, I've seen BuddyBooks on your students' laptops. How can I adjust it for different reading levels?
Let me show you how BuddyBooks adapts to each student with 3 reading modes: paragraph mode, sentence mode, and echo mode.
These 3 modes let BuddyBooks support students at every stage of reading. Let's look at paragraph mode first.
The sun was just rising over Greenwood's cottage as Ella and her family prepared for the big move. Ella's room was filled with boxes piled high, each carefully labeled with her belongings.
It's really happening, Mr. Whiskers. She was going to miss it so much.
Great job, Lily. You handled the whole passage smoothly.
In paragraph mode, Buddy reads a passage, and then the student reads the next passage. If the student is struggling with fluency or accuracy, BuddyBooks provides sentence mode. To switch from paragraph mode to sentence mode, you just move the slide switch for that book.
The sun was just rising over Greenwood's cottage as Ella and her family prepared for the big move.
Ella's room was filled with boxes piled high, each carefully labeled with her belongings.
Nice work, Jaden. You picked up right after Buddy.
In sentence mode, Buddy reads one sentence, then the student reads the next sentence. This is best for books that are slightly challenging. For early readers or English language learners, or if the student is still struggling, BuddyBooks provides echo mode. To enable echo mode, just move the echo mode slide switch.
Ella's room was filled with boxes piled high, each carefully labeled with her belongings.
Ella's room was filled with boxes piled high, each carefully labeled with her belongings.
That's it, Mateo. Just echo Buddy's words to practice.
In echo mode, Buddy reads a sentence and the student repeats it. This is ideal for early readers or those who need extra support.
With paragraph, sentence, and echo modes, BuddyBooks fits every student's needs.
That makes it so much easier to support every reader in my class. I can see how this would make a real difference.
BuddyBooks adapts reading practice so every student can succeed.